Dear students, in this video we'll discuss about class 7 Collins English Grammar and Composition chapter number 20 kinds of sentences on the basis of meaning. Okay, so if you have not watched previous chapters, so here look at the screen. You can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here correct the punctuation mark at the end of each sentence. Then write whether it is a statement, question, exclamation, order or request, right? So here the problem for the students was too difficult to solve, right? So here there is a wrong use of punctuation mark. Okay, so you have to remove and use appropriate punctuation mark, right? So here okay, the problem for the student was too difficult to solve. So you have to use a full stop and write, okay, so this is a statement, right? Then next question here, leave now. So again there is yes, wrong use of punctuation mark. So this is one type of order, right? So here you have to remove the question mark and use full stop and write this is a order. This is an order, right? So here use full stop and write order. Clear? Then next question here, will you wait here? So again here an exclamation mark is used. Okay, you have to this is an interrogative question, yes no. So here you have to remove the exclamation mark and use question mark, right? So here use question mark and write this is question. So as the instruction says, you have to use you have to write a statement, a question, exclamation, order or request, right? Then next question here, what a wonderful writer Mitchell Morpurga is, right? This is an exclamatory sentence, but there is wrong use of punctuation mark, so you have to remove the question mark and use exclamation mark. Okay, what a beautiful country India is. So this is an exclamation. So similarly here, what a wonderful writer, right? You have to use exclamation mark and write exclamation. Clear? Then next question here, please explain this lesson to me. So here wrong use of punctuation mark. This is one type of request, right? So 2 number and 5 number. 2 number this is an order, and 5 number this is an request. So these two sentences come under imperative sentence, right? So here you have to remove the exclamation mark and use full stop, right? So here full stop. Okay, then write this is a request. Clear? Then next here, circle the subjects and underline the predicates in these sentences, right? So here the first one, all living organisms require food to survive. So if you want to know the subject in a sentence, then you have to ask the question who or what, right? So all living organisms require food to survive. Who requires? Right? Who require? So you will get the answer, all living organisms, right? So this is subject and the remaining part this will be called as a predicate part. So here the answer. Okay, all living organisms this is subject and require food to survive this is predicate part. Clear? Then next question here, association of two different organisms in which both are benefited is called symbiosis, right? So similarly here you have to ask the question who or what. Okay, what is called symbiosis? So you will get the answer. Okay, association of two different organisms in which both are benefited. So this is subject, but here the main subject is, yes, here the main subject right? Main subject here, association of two different organisms, this is main subject. In which both are benefited, here this is a subject, but this is a post modifier, right? So here you can underline up to association up to benefited, but here main subject we are talking about association of different organisms, right? Then the remaining part is called symbiosis. This will be predicate part. Clear? Then next question here, there are 4 types of teeth in our mouth: incisor, canines, premolars and molars. So just look at the grammar bites here. So when a sentence begins okay with there, it is never the subject. You know, there is called as a dummy subject, like it. It is a book, but here you know it. Just take an example. It is a book, right? So you know here it will not called as subject. It is a dummy subject. It is not a real subject. Here the real subject is a book, right? So similarly here the real subject, you know, 4 types of teeth in our mouth, right? So here to find the subject we ask who or what to the verb. Clear? So here you have to mention, right? Here 4 types of teeth in our mouth, you know, subject, and there are incisor, canine, premolars, you know, these are predicate part. Clear? Then next question here. Tucked neatly under the pile of clothes in the cupboard are the letters written by my mother to my father 30 years ago, right? So here you know this is written in passive, okay, passive form. Are the letters written by, and here the subject, yes, here the action is done by whom. So here the answer, the letters written by my mother to my father 30 years ago, you know this is subject. So this is subject and predicate, yes. The predicate, you know, tucked neatly under the. You can ask the question, what are tucked, right? What are tucked neatly under the pile of clothes? So you will get the answer here. The letters written by my mother to my father 30 years ago. This is subject, and predicate part always starts from, you know, verb, right? So this is predicate part. Clear? Then next question here. The process of removing wool from the body of an animal is known as, yes, is called shearing. What is shearing, right? What is shearing? So here, yes, the process of removing wool from the body of an animal. This is subject, and predicate, you know, is called shearing. Clear? So here you have to write the answer. Here, the process of removing wool from the body of an animal, this is subject, and the remaining part except subject, this is, you know, predicate part. Clear? Then next question here. Many people have come from far away places to pray at the Medak church on Easter day. Okay, you know, yes, who have come? Yes, many people. This is subject, and predicate, yes, the remaining part. So here you have to write the answer. Yes, so here many people, you know, subject, and the remaining part that will be called predicate. Have come from far away, right? Then next question here. The Belcher Sea snake is the most poisonous snake in the world. Yes, what is the most poisonous snake, right? Yes, here you will get the answer, the Belcher, right? The Belcher snake is the most. Yes, the, you know, predicate part always starts from the verb. This is this is, you know, subject. The Belcher Sea snake, right? So here the answer. Here this is subject, the Belcher sea snake, and the remaining part is the most poisonous snake in the world. This is predicate. Then next question here. The blue whale's heart is as big as a small car. Whose heart? Whose heart, right? You will get the answer, the blue whale's heart, and the predicate part is as big as a small car. As you know, the predicate part always starts from the verb, you know, here is, right? So here you have to mention the answer. Here the blue whale's heart, this is subject, and predicate is as big as a small car, predicate. Clear? Then next question here. 3 of the world's biggest animals, the ostrich, the elephant, and the giraffe, live in Africa. Who live in Africa? Yes, who live in Africa? So here you will get the answer, up to 3 of the world's biggest animals, the ostrich, elephant, and the giraffe. This is, you know, subject, and predicate, live in Africa, right? So here the answer. Yes, here, okay, 3 of the, this is subject, and predicate, yes, the remaining part, here, live in Africa. Clear? Then next question here. A sand sculpture uses only water and sand to make sand sculptures, right? who uses, yes, who uses. So you will get the answer a sand sculpture, right? And the remaining part uses only water and sand to make sand sculpture. This is predicate part. Clear? So here the answer. Okay, a sand sculpture, this is subject, and the remaining part, this will be predicate part. Clear? Then next here, identify the types of sentences and write A for assertive, I for interrogative, E for exclamatory, and IM for imperative. Right? The jaguar is the largest member of the American cat family. Yes, so this is yes assertive sentence. So आज assertive, positive assertive and negative assertive. Okay. Assertive two types, positive assertive, negative assertive. So this is positive assertive, right? The next question here, Tony had a lunch before he left. Didn't he? So here at the end question tag is used. So this will be called as interrogative sentence, right? So here negative question tag is used. First one assertive and second one interrogative sentence. Clear? As here the question tag is used. Didn't he? Right? The next question here, what an amazing fish the Pirarusu is, right? So here an exclamation mark is used, right? So this is an exclamatory sentence. So here exclamatory. Clear? The next question here, have you ever read an ebook? So this, this is yes no question, interrogative. So here you have to write, as there is an question mark is used here. Okay, interrogative sentence. Clear? Then next here, do as do as you are told. So this is yes, this is imperative sentence, right? As the structure of imperative sentence, yes, V1 plus other, go there, open the door, right? So here the structure of the, this is general imperative, and suggestive imperative, let's go for a picnic, right? Okay, so V1 plus other, object, open the door, go there. Clear? So this will be called as imperative sentence. Do as you are told. Then next question here, one should exercise at least 5 days a week, right? So this is not an imperative sentence. This is one type of suggestion, advice we can say. But here this is assertive sentence, not imperative sentence, right? So here you have to mention, right, assertive sentence. Clear? Then next here, Antarctica has some of the coldest places on the earth. Yes, so as this is also assertive sentence, right? So here, assertive. Then next question here, how hot it is here, isn't it? So similarly, question number 2 number, as like here 8 number, isn't it? So this is interrogative. Question tag is used, right? So this is also interrogative sentence. So here the answer. Interrogative, right? Then next question here, name 2 animals that live in the seas around Antarctica. So yes, V1, name. So this is an imperative sentence, not assertive sentence, imperative, right? Then next, do you like the Harry Potter series of the book? Yes, so this is yes no question, right? As here at the end of the sentence you find a question mark is used. This is interrogative sentence. Which interrogative? Yes no. As interrogative are 2 type, yes no and WH. Okay. Then next here, check if you have taken everything before you leave, right? So similarly, just look at the question number 9 and 11. Here the sentence start with V1. Yes, this is an imperative sentence, right? So here imperative sentence, and 10 we have already discussed, interrogative, 9 also imperative sentence, right? Then next question here, where on earth did you keep the notes? Yes, right, as we have discussed 10 number, this is interrogative yes no, and this is interrogative WH question. Here the question start with WH word where. Clear? So this is interrogative sentence, right? Yes. Clear? Then next here, arrange the given words to make the type of sentence mentioned. Add the necessary punctuation marks, right? So here these are the jumble words. You have to frame and make a complete meaningful sentence. Okay, assertive sentence, and also you have to use appropriate punctuation mark, right? So here the answer. Okay, the obtaining process of food of called get to energy is nutrition. The process of obtaining food to get energy is called nutrition. You have to also use yes full stop at the end of the sentence and start the sentence with the capital letter, right? Then next question here, you tell, okay, can me way the to the post office please, interrogative. So here you have to form, you have to arrange the words and form an interrogative sentence. Can you tell me the way to the post office please, right? So here please, you have to use comma, then write please and end the sentence with question mark and start the sentence with capital letter, right? Then next question here, to left the keep, imperative. Yes, keep to the left, imperative sentence, right? To use capital letter and at the end use full stop. Clear? Then next here, annoying is, how behavior is. You have to change, yes, you have to arrange the words and make a sentence, you know, yes, exclamatory. How annoying his behavior is. So, you know, here H should be capitalized and use exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Clear? So here, okay. Then next here, the R of modes transfer heat of different what, interrogative. So you have to form interrogative sentence, right? Here, what are the different modes of transfer of heat? You know, this is WH, okay, interrogative. You have to use question mark at the end and also start the sentence with capital letter. Then next question, device the major anometer to wind of speed is the. So you have to form assertive sentence, right? So here, the anemometer is a device to measure the speed of wind. Clear? Then next question here, times in a carry a passport to foreign while country you are with active all. Okay, you have to form imperative sentence. So here the answer, carry your passport with you at all times while you are in a foreign country, right? Then next here, messy it is, what room eh? So you have to form an exclamatory sentence, right? So here, what a messy room, right? So here the answer, what a messy room it is. So you have to use exclamation mark at the end and start the sentence with the capital letter. Clear? Then next here, let's write, Neha and Nihal are discussing what breakfast they like. Read the conversation and write the sentence type for each, right? So here you have to write the different types of, first you have to read the conversation and write the different types of sentences, okay? So here the answer, okay, here, Neha, what is your favorite? As you know, yes, interrogative, this is. Nihal, I like idli, this is assertive, okay, positive. Really, okay, really, this is, you know, exclamatory. I don't like idli. So, you know, this is negative. Who is negative? Yes, this is, you know, affirmative. You know, declarative negative sentence, declarative positive sentence, right? The first one, you know, I like idli, this is, you know, assertive, positive assertive. This is negative assertive, okay? Then next here, Nihal, but why? You know, this is interrogative. It's a healthy breakfast is, this is assertive sentence. Nihal, I don't like the taste, this is assertive, negative assertive. I like dosa, this is positive assertive. Do you also like it? Yes, so you know, this is yes, interrogative, yes, no, right? Nihal, yes, I do, this is, you know, positive assertive. Neha, what delicious dosa my mother makes. Yes, so you know, this is yes, exclamatory sentence. Please come home one day for breakfast. You know, this is imperative. Please, right? Request, one type of request. Nihal, how nice of you to invite me. Neha, you know, this is exclamatory sentence. I shall surely come. You know, this is positive, yes, assertive sentence. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.